Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear cloud storage on Google Drive to free up space in your Google account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open Google Drive in your web browser by visiting drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account credentials. Step 2. Check your storage usage by looking at the left sidebar where it displays how much space you're using out of your total storage allocation. Step 3. Click on Storage in the left sidebar to see a detailed breakdown of which files and services are using the most space in your Google account. Step 4. Review the list of files and folders sorted by size. Large video files, high-resolution photos, and old backups often consume the most storage space. Step 5. Select files you want to delete by clicking the checkbox next to each file. You can select multiple files at once to delete them in bulk. Step 6. Click the trash icon at the top of the page to move selected files to the trash. Note that files in the trash still count toward your storage until permanently deleted. Step 7. Navigate to the trash section in the left sidebar to view all deleted files. Click Empty Trash to permanently delete all files and free up storage space. Step 8. Consider using Google's storage management tool by clicking on the storage indicator. This tool suggests large files you might want to delete and shows storage usage across Gmail, Photos, and Drive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.